Today we will create a full makeup beginner starter kit with Too Faced. Hello, I am Cutie Lucy. If you want to really smooth out the texture on your skin, the first product is primer. This is Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. If you want hydration and a fresh, glowy base, this one's for you. But if you want anti-aging benefits and a firmer makeup base, check out Plan and Prime Face Plumping Primer Serum. Alright, now we are going to move on to a foundation. If you are looking for a natural finish, check out Born This Way Flawless Coverage Natural Finish Foundation. The Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation is the best option for you if you prefer a soft matte finish. Now we are moving to bronzer. If you want a creamy, blendable bronzer, check out Chocolate Soleil Melting Bronzing and Sculpting Stick. It is a great choice for beginners. But if you are looking for a long, well matte bronzer, Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer is a better option. Sun Bunny Natural Bronzer is a good option for natural, radiant finish, sun-kissed glow. But if you want a soft, natural matte finish, check out Natural Chocolate Bronzer. The Moon Crush Highlighter is the best option for highlighter powder. If you want a long-lasting eyeshadow, check out Shadow Insurance 24-Hour Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, now let's move on to eyeshadow. If you are looking for an everyday wear eyeshadow, check out Born This Way Natural Nudes Mini Eyeshadow Palette. It has mattes, it has satin's, it has shimmers. That is all you need in your makeup palette. But if you love a bold look, metallic eyeshadow, better than chocolate eyeshadow palette is a better option for you. If you are looking for natural eyebrows, check out Superfine Brow Detailer Eyebrow Pencil. But if you want a clean cut eyebrows, Flat and Whole Laminating Brow Wax is a better option for you. If you want extra fuller, extra long lasting lashes, check out Better Than Sex Foreplay Mascara Primer. Okay, now we are gonna talk about eyeliners. If you are looking for natural brown eyeliners, Eyeliner 36 Hour Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil is a great choice. But if you are a liquid liner girl, check out Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, now we are gonna talk about lips. If you love a lip liner, matte, creamy, plump, and non-drying, check out Lip Injection Extreme Lip Shaper. Alright, we are going to talk about setting spray. If you want long-lasting makeup and set everything in place, check out Makeup Insurance Setting Spray. But if you want a hydrating and dewy finish, choose Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. Okay, now last but certainly not least, if you need a lip trimmer for drying lips, check out Balm Hydrating Lip Trimmer. The lipstick, concealer, powder, blush, mascara, and lip gloss are included in my essential makeup category. They are explained in detail in a previous part 1 video. I will link below and at the right corner of this video. I added one bronzer, one eyeshadow palette, and one eyebrow into my essential kit with 6 products. So yes, it became 9 products. I added one primer, one foundation, one highlighter, one eyeshadow base, one mascara base, one eyeliner, one lip liner, one setting spray, and one lip trimmer into my everyday kit. So yes, the full makeup kit began 18 products. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my Cutie Lucy channel. If you are interested in beginner makeup kits, I make many brand kits for you. You can check out here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye.